Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video as a weekly recap for last week and trades taken. So let's get started here. The first trade was on the 3rd, May 3rd. It's a Bitcoin, and this is the entry right there. This yellow mark shows the entry and a sell move to break even plus, and this is the buy taken by the expert advisor EA CTS 5. Actually, I have, like a Bitcoin separate, but I use this one, CTS 5. The same thing, just their different name. All right. So this is the first one. The second trade was on the 5th. There was no trade on the 4th. The market was badly ranging. On the 5th, you can see a beautiful entry by the book here, USD yen from 20-minute chart. Buy orders right there and 85 pip here. And yen was getting weaker. So euro yen also went up a little bit and 55 pip only here. And on the 5th, pound yen also went up. Nice clean trade here, right? And 70 pip. Not, none of these yen like a big trade, but, something, right? And then Bitcoin again. This is the entry from here. And then look what happened. The first entry was this. The second is this, right? So I made the chart video about Bitcoin that's going to go up. And then it went up, and then now it's finishing wave 4 and probably gonna drop. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna make another video, separate video for that. CAD yen also with the yen, all yen pairs was going up, and 50 pip here. And from the CAD yen on the 5th, and on the 5th gold. Remember my video, last video, I said gold is gonna start making the wave 5 to the upside. It's gonna go up, and it started already. And even today, beautiful, beautiful trade. I'll show you. On the 5th May, this is what happened in gold. And then euro yen again, beautiful trade from 20-minute chart, 90 pip. And then this is pound yen from on the 8th. This trade is all the way to 145 pip. This one, I think, yeah, that's all the trades that I had. Probably like 8 trades, right? So as you know, in the last video, I mentioned that I'm, involved in a big uh, real estate project. So some of my time is going there. So hopefully it will be over soon, and then I'll come back here with full force again. So these are the trades. Let me show you what happened with gold. Let me see if I can show you on my website. I posted. You see the gold chart here, right? This is the entry, and then look. This is beautiful sideways, correction, flat correction, regular flat, and then after that, big move to the upside, and then it dropped. Now I'm waiting again for it to go up, and then I'll be a part of it. And it was basically. Let me see if I can show you here. I don't have gold charts here. I posted the gold chart on my website already, before and after. I think let me go here and then show it to you quickly. That this is the chart that I'm following. This is the one. See that? I made this chart on the gold, and I made the video of, obviously. That this is wave 1 is gonna drop for wave 2 and then go up for wave 3 and then 4 and then 5. So it was coming down. I had some good trades, and now it started to go up. Let me show you how. This is I just recorded a little while ago. So it came down here for wave 2, and then slowly it started to go up. So this is the trade that I had. I just showed you, right? So the entry was right there. And then my target is this, but I closed that one. It's not going to go in a straight line. It's going to go up and down and up and down and up and down. So every time it dips, I'll buy. That's how the gold is doing right now. And I'll make the separate video on gold anyway. Okay. So these are the few trades for taken last week. And some of the good things are right now going on is gold, going for wave 3 off wave 5, as well as this is the chart that I made for Bitcoin. So this is the area somewhere here. I'm expecting that it's probably gonna drop. If not, then that's another story. But right now I'm not getting any short entry, so there is no Bitcoin trade. But yes, gold trade I had today, a nice gold trade. Let me show. I mean, not gold, oil, right? Going to the upside, and it popped to the upside today again, right? So it was retracing, and then boom, beautiful entries here, and then after that it goes up. Now it came down a little bit, And again, I'm going to go in and let's see what happens. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful trading week. Umar told me that he sent out an email to everyone that it's a 50% off today and tomorrow for Mother's Day. We forgot about it, and then we started getting a lot of email. The way the Mother's Day sale. So I said, okay, even though it's gone, it was yesterday, but I said, okay, just send out the email, no problem. Right. So take advantage of that, and it's across the board. Every single thing is 50% off. So get the system, get my analysis, and start trading like this. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in my gold video again. How do I close? Where the heck did that thing go? Here. Okay. Stop.